India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students aspiring to build a career in manufacturing and precision engineering, CTS offers the trade of turner. From automotive components and machine parts to industrial equipment and production units, skilled turners play a vital role in shaping accurate and high-quality metal components used across industries. In this 2-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, lathe machines, and real workshop environments. Students learn lathe operations, metal cutting, shaping and finishing processes, measurement and inspection techniques, blueprint reading, tool handling, and practical troubleshooting through industry-standard equipment and workshop-based training. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Lal Chand began his journey as a turner trainee at ITI Moolchand, Haryana. Through dedication, skill, and hard work, he transformed his training into a successful career. Today, he proudly serves as a turner instructor at NSTI, where he inspires, trains, and guides the next generation of skilled turner technicians. Learn today, lead tomorrow.